Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can completely empty all the water from the inside off your hot and cold water dispenser. This one is an Aqua Optima. Now, they recommend if you haven't used it in 3 days that you need to change the water out of it. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So first of all, I'm taking the tank off at the back and I'm going to empty all this water out. Just removing the inner container here and emptying the water away. Obviously, if you can use it to feed your plants or something, that would be better. Now, you've got to make sure that you are unplugged from the mains, so make sure that there's no electricity going into this machine. And if you have a look at the bottom of it, we have actually got 2 parts where we can remove, and that will allow us to drain the water out from the tank. So make sure you don't turn this upside down. I've just got it like this and I'm over the sink and I'm nice and gently turning these, and I'm turning them counterclockwise, so anti-clockwise, basically lefty-loosey. Yeah, so that's one there, and you'll notice that there's a little silicone bung in here. Let me just zoom right in to show you. There you go, can you see that little green thing there? So we're going to take that out and we're over the sink, water's now going to fly out. So take that out, make sure you put your plug in the sink, you don't want this to fall down the drain for it to be forever lost. There you go. So that's that one. We're going to do the same with this one here. They're not that easy to remove, so you might need to get yourself some little pliers or something. And again, you can see the little green silicone bung. This one's hard to come out. There we go. And it's here. So now what that's doing is it's draining out the inside tank. Right, so I'm just going to put it upright, make sure that all the water's out. There we go. Now we need to put those rubber bungs back in and do up the little white nuts. So keep the wider side out and you're just putting the narrow part in, like that. And the same with the other one, like that. And we're just doing these up clockwise now. You won't need to go really tight. Finger tight is fine enough. Obviously, if you notice there's a drip coming from it, just do it up a little bit tighter. There we go. Right, now we need to run through, we need to make sure 2 litres of water comes through this machine here. So I've got the water container, I'm just putting that back in there, and I'm going to fill up to the max mark, which is here, with tap water, cold drinking tap water. Right, I'm at the max there. I'm going to put it on the back of the machine. And they recommend you put it through so 2 litres of water are discarded. So I'm going to plug this in now. Turn it on. And I'm going to put it to 1,000 millilitres, so I'm using the up arrow, and I'm going to put it right the way down to the cold water, like that one here, and I'm going to press dispense. Obviously, if you have to unlock it, just hold down that lock button for 3 seconds. Right, I'm going to be dispensing that now. Now, nothing's going to happen for the first 800 millilitres because it's filling up the internal tank. But we want to make sure we're discarding 2 litres. So this jug here is going to contain at least 1 litre. I'll empty it out and then we'll get another litre out of it. And then it should be nice and safe to use again. So remember, it's going to take a good minute or so before you even see any water because it's filling up the internal tank that we've just emptied out. So even though we're putting through 1 litre, we're only going to get about 200 millilitres in the jug in the front. But the instructions recommend that you discard 2 litres of water. So then I'm going to fill up the back again, I'm going to put through another litre, and then after that I'm filling up the back again and putting through another litre. So all in all, I've discarded 2.2 litres. And that means then that everything is going to be nice and clean right the way through it, and it should be nice and safe to use again. So that's it. That's how to clean out the internal tank on your hot and cold water dispenser. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.